The Keychron C3 Pro has quickly become a standout option for Mac users on a budget, offering a solid mechanical keyboard experience without breaking the bank. At under $50, this keyboard delivers a surprising number of features typically reserved for higher-end models, making it a fantastic value for money. One of the standout features is its compatibility with both Windows PCs and Macs. The C3 Pro comes with a dedicated Mac mode, making the transition between devices seamless. Additionally, the removable USB-C cable offers flexibility, allowing for a clean desk setup and hassle-free connectivity. Another notable feature is the inclusion of additional keycaps for customization, giving you the option to personalize your keyboard to match your style or workspace. The build quality, while not premium, still manages to impress for its price point. The keycaps are made from durable PBD plastic with a shine-through design, ensuring long-lasting aesthetics and better typing feel compared to cheaper ABS alternatives. The keyboard also has LED backlighting, though it's a single color, which may be limiting for some, but still adds a nice visual touch. However, there are a few drawbacks to keep in mind. The frame is made of plastic, and while it doesn't feel cheap, it can feel a bit flimsy when compared to more premium mechanical keyboards. There's also no dedicated palm rest or pass-through ports, which could be a downside for users who prefer those extra comforts. In terms of performance, the Keychron C3 Pro excels with its responsive Keychron red switches, offering a satisfying typing experience without being overly noisy. For those who spend long hours at the keyboard, the lack of a palm rest might be a minor inconvenience, but it's a small sacrifice given the overall value this keyboard offers. If you're a Mac user on a tight budget, the Keychron C3 Pro provides an excellent balance of functionality, performance, and customization options. It's one of the best budget mechanical keyboards available today, offering just the right mix of features to meet the needs of both casual users and those looking for a reliable, affordable keyboard for work or play.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.